If you want to install YouTube Music on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, first of all, we're gonna swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and then over here we can go to the Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, you can use the search option here at the top, tap on the field, the text field that we have in here to open the keyboard, and then you can just type YouTube Music. Or at least I'm gonna try to type it. So we have YouTube and music. There we go. And here we have our app. We can use this install button here, or we can tap on the app itself to find the install button in this place. Of course, we need to wait now for the app to be downloaded and installed. But once it is downloaded and installed, you will find an open button in here, so you can use it to, of course, open YouTube Music. Or you can just go to the list of apps once it is installed and find it somewhere over here. And there we go. As you can see now, we have the app, so we can easily open it on our Galaxy Watch 9. Leave a like and subscribe.